Welcome to virtual view of Radha Kalyana Mandapam. In your own eyes, you are now seeing Mandapam in all its grandeur. At present, we have expanded and added many ultra modern features and facilities. In the second floor top ceiling, we have installed many sodium vapor lamps. The provision of these lamps add more deco to the mandapam to give a floodlight view of mandapam and surroundings, nearby areas, especially during nights. Mandapam has many open spaces at the front side and sideways. Your relatives can bring their vans, cars, etc. Your function parties who come from other states, districts, can come in buses, conveniently park their vehicles in these open spaces. An arrow is highlighted indicating availability of open space adjacent to the side of mandap. You are now viewing Shamiana put up by function party who conducted function at the mandapam recently. He has put up Shamiana at his own cost. You can come to mandapam from Krompet in two different directions. Mandapam is situated 2 kilometers east of Krompet railway station or Krompet bus stand. If you come to the Krompet railway station, kindly walk down the railway station platform and the track on the northern side to reach railway station crossing situated on the eastern side where Radhanagar railway crossing is found. After reaching the place, you will find share auto stand. Kindly get into any of the share auto and request the driver to go to Postal Nagar. The auto will go via Radhanagar main road, then go to Zameen Raipetai to finally reach Postal Nagar. After reaching Postal Nagar, ask the driver to drop you at Radha Kalyana Mandapam. He will drop you there. If you are on GST Road, Krompet bus stand and coming by bus, kindly find out the bus going to Hastinapuram bus terminus. After getting into the bus will go over the MIT gate flyover, then go to RP Nagar main road to finally reach Hastinapuram bus terminus. Mandapam is half a kilometer from Hastinapuram bus terminus. You can walk down half a kilometer distance from the bus stand. The walking will take you around 10 to 15 minutes. The distance from the bus terminus to the mandapam is half a kilometer. Buses are available in different parts of Chennai city, both from Krompet bus stand on the GST road and to Hastinapuram bus terminus. You can also reach mandapam from Tambaram. A well-developed highway goes from Tambaram to Velacheri. In that road from Tambaram, stop at Koot Road on the left-hand side leading to Nanmangalam Reserve Forest. A road on the eastern side of Nanmangalam Reserve Forest will lead to Kovilambakam Nanmangalam Lake to reach Nemilicheri. After reaching Nemilicheri, you will find Bhavani Nagar and finally Aegis Colony, where Mandapam is situated.
Happy news! State government minibus service route number S4 is now made available. You can get down very near Radha Kalyana Mandapam. It starts at Kurumpet MIT gate and goes up to Nanmangalam, Kovilambakam. The service is available once in 15 to 20 minutes. The fare is ₹8 only. As you enter the Mandapam from the main gate passage, the passage glitters with portals. You are now enjoying the portal on ground floor. In the first floor marriage hall, you are now viewing Radha and Krishna in marriage posture behind the Muhurta Medai. Muhurta Medai is facing eastern side and is situated the western side of marriage hall. You are now viewing a life-size Tirupati Balaji image as you find in Tirupati temple. On the northern portion of marriage hall, the portrait glitters with divine rays and gives a heavenly atmosphere. At the entrance of the first floor hall, a heavy-duty air curtain is installed. Aluminum doors with automatic door closure is provided in the mandapam. Both these enable cool air in the hall trapped inside and outside dust and hot air not entering the AC hall. You are now viewing 4 split ACs of 2-ton capacity in the hall. The hall has 3 Almonad heavy-duty air circulators to provide cool air all through the nook and corner. You are viewing groom's room and bride's room situated adjacent to Muhurta Medai. Both rooms are provided with 1.5 ton window AC. You are viewing hall on the eastern side where natural sceneries are painted by an artist of repute. This background facilitates multifarious functions at the hall. Many focus lamps are provided in this area as well as in other parts of the hall. You are viewing a wedding reception hosted at the hall with beautiful decoration. You are viewing another wedding reception hosted at this hall with beautiful decorations and artificial flowers. You are viewing birthday party hosted with beautiful decorations at the hall. You are viewing Muhurta Medai and tastefully decorated pillars at the hall. You are also viewing a smoke exhaust system installed in the background. You are viewing a Homa ceremony performed at the first floor of the AC hall. All this smoke generated while performing Homa vanish then and there with the arrangements provided at the mandapam.
You are now seeing Sasrihal and guests enjoying performing the ceremony even when a homa fire glows in full swing. This is a special feature of Radha Kalyana Mandapam. At the front first floor, you are viewing additionally installed two window ACs of 1.5 ton capacity. These additional window ACs enable intense cooling of AC hall and give you and your guests the ambience as though you are in Ooty or Kodaikanal. Even if guests assemble at the hall in more numbers, the same ambience is being kept. You are viewing ground floor, a kitchen. The kitchen has in all 4 stoves, and all the stoves are connected by gas pipe, facilitating a single cylinder to supply gas. All utensils are supplied at the mandapam, facilitating to cook for 500 persons at a time. You are viewing the dining hall, duly served meals item. 60 to 100 persons can dine at a time. You are viewing heavy duty weight grinder with coconut peeling facility. Mandapam has another standby weight grinder. To prepare special items like dosa, uttapam, poli, chapati, parota, vegetable cutlet, we have now installed a big gas burner with big heavy duty tawa. You are now viewing these facilities. You are now viewing recently installed heavy duty exhaust system. This system is found only in 5-star hotels. These arrangements are liked by chefs, cooking masters, and all have appreciated this facility. At the kitchen, you have 2 special gas burners are installed, enabling chefs, cooking masters to prepare vegetable biryani and non-veg biryani using these 2 gas stoves. In each gas stove, biryani up to 50 kg, totaling up to 100 kg can be prepared at a time, enabling chefs, cooks to serve biryani up to 500 persons at a time. You are viewing cooking master who have prepared biryani at mandapam. Once you book and pay advance, we will furnish address and cell numbers of these cooks. All the masters reside close to the mandapam. At the second floor, you are now viewing a big spacious hall with big dais. You are viewing a bhajan troupe of Bhajan Samrat fame participating bhajans at second floor dais, a time when a customer performed Poonal ceremony at the mandapam. Dining provision is made at the second floor. You are viewing dining table arranged with chairs for this purpose. Many plastic chairs are available. Both you have special gathering as well as for dining. 2 wash basins are provided at the second floor hall for catering these purposes.
You are viewing bathrooms and toilets facilities on the second floor. Mandapam has totally 2 common bath cum western toilets, 5 common bathrooms, 5 Bombay type latrines, 3 common bathrooms. 3 bathrooms have been provided with geysher to have hot and cold water bath. Common bathroom facility is provided in all floors. You are viewing 2 AC rooms with attached bathrooms provided on the second floor. The AC rooms has wardrobe as well as provision to have sufficient pillows and covers, catering to 50 persons who can stay comfortably either in the AC attached rooms provided at the second floor or at the hall.
We have made special arrangements to enable you to visit Mandapam 24 hours and 365 days to have first-hand information on what we have stated in the virtual view of the Mandapam. Just now you have enjoyed viewing. Watchman family Mrs. Kamala are available at the Mandapam 24 hours to show you around the Mandapam.